How to one name on Facebook. In this video, I will be showing you how to one name on Facebook. Many people want to have just a single name on their Facebook profile instead of the usual first name and last name. This style is common in countries like Indonesia, but Facebook doesn't normally allow it everywhere. I will show you a safe and simple way to set up a one name account. So normally Facebook requires both a first and last name. A one name profile shows only a single word. For example, instead of Sarah Beckett, it will just say Sarah. This can make your account look cleaner, more unique, or give you a bit more privacy if you don't want your full name visible. So what you're going to do for that is you're going to go and open up your Facebook settings. So first of all, you're going to log into your Facebook on your computer or your mobile browser. You're going to click on log into Facebook, and then you're going to sign into your Facebook account with all of your required information. And once you are in, you are going to go ahead and click on your profile picture in the top right corner over here. So this is the extreme top right corner. You're going to click on that. And then from here, you're going to go down and you're going to go to settings and privacy. So click on that. And then you have a few options again. So you're going to click on settings over here. So once you arrive at the settings and privacy page over here, you will find all the main options, including your name and language. So start scrolling down over here. We're just going to scroll down and you're going to see down here there is the language and region. So you're just simply going to click over here, and then over here in account language, you're going to click here. And from here, the language that you want to choose is, you're going to go to Bahasa Indonesia. So this is the language that you are going to select. So just clicking that. And there we go, the language is changed. Now the interface will be in Indonesian, but don't worry, I will guide you through the whole process. So you're going to stay right over here in the settings and you're going to go and find name. So in Indonesian, name would appear as nama, N-A-M-A. So now in order to change the name, we are going to go over here up to the top left corner and click on this box over here. This is the accounts center. So we're just going to click on that. All right, so once over here, you are going to see the profiles, which are linked to your Facebook. So you're just going to go to your Facebook profile over here. You can see your name. You're just going to click on that, and then your personal information will open up. You're going to click on the first option here, Nama, which is the name. So you're just going to click on that, and then you have the detailed name over here. So you have your first name, and then you have your last name. So you're going to erase your last name from here, delete that. And you're going to have your first name here. If you want to make any changes to that, now is the time to do so. Or you can just delete the last name and keep the first name because you wanted just the first name, or you wanted to one name your Facebook. So I personally do not want to make any changes over here, so I'm not going to do that, but you could if you wanted. And then you would just click over here. You're just going to click review change, and then you are going to enter your password and save that. So your profile should now display just a single name after you have done this, and you have clicked confirm and you have entered in your password like Facebook asks you. So after you do that, only one name should be visible on your Facebook. So after that, and after your name has been changed back, what you need to do is you're not going to stay in this language anymore because of course you don't understand it. So you need to go back and you need to change it back into English. So for that, you're just going to exit the account center and you're going to go back here. You will reach back here and you're going to go down and scroll just like you did before when you had to do the language and region. And over here, this icon over here, this symbol over here, you're going to click on this one above the media. So you click on that. And from here, you have the languages. So you're going to click on the first one over here. And from over here, you're going to go down and you're going to see English US right there. So you're just going to click on that and your language will be changed. You click OK, confirm that, and you will have come back to English. So at this point, your one name profile will stay the same even after switching back to the English language. Now, in some cases, if Facebook doesn't allow the one name change, some people use location tools to set the location to Indonesia and make it work. This is optional and not always necessary. Many accounts succeed just by using the Indonesian language setting. Alright, so what you're going to do next is you're going to make sure that what you have done has worked. So in order to make sure that it worked, you're going to check your profile from another account or ask a friend to look at it. They should see only your single chosen name, which you just changed. It's important to note here that this method usually works best on desktop browsers. You should also avoid changing your name too often. Facebook limits how many times you can update it. If Facebook ever asks for verification, make sure your chosen name is something you can prove with ID if needed. Some people even choose short nicknames to use as their one name for a stylish look. So by switching your Facebook language to Indonesian and editing your name settings, you can create a clean one-word profile. It's simple, unique, and a nice way to personalize your account. And that is it. That is how to one name your Facebook.